About 10 years ago, we decided that we needed to get our roof replaced, and it'll be 10 years, actually, this in a couple months, that they came and put a full metal roof on our large double wide mobile home. We have been totally impressed with the service and everything that's taken place since the roof's been done. Anytime we needed anything or had any questions about anything, Guardian was always right available. And it's funny that we're doing this because we recommended them to my elderly mother-in-law, and she had her roof completely cleaned today. And I was impressed with the email that they sent us because it showed all the pictures and all the work and everything that they did on her roof. I totally recommend Guardian because I know I can trust them. My mother-in-law had other roofing companies coming out saying she had to have the roof replaced. It was really bad. And Nathan with Guardian, met with her on site and went over everything. We've also are going to be using them again here this week. They're coming to clean our metal roof. I keep recommending Guardian to everybody because I trust them and I know they're going to do the job and they're going to do it properly. They clean up after themselves. They follow up with you. They keep in touch. Just an overall good roofing company.